Hey guys, in April of this year, the workflow for making beats in FL Studio, and of course the recent beta updates, has shifted from manual clicking to agentic composition. With the release of the chord progression tool and the AI stem splitter, you are no longer just a beatmaker, you are an orchestrator of intelligent sound modules. FL Studio has maintained its lifetime free updates, promise recently introducing the 25.2.5 version, and also the DAW now features FL Studio Web in beta for browser-based sketching and a native AI stem separator that allows you to remix any audio file instantly. So, what are we doing in this video? We will use the stack for rapid prototyping and sample alchemy. Also, we will use the chord progression tool. It's new for this year, which allows you to build complex harmonies with top-down voice leading. Also, FL Cloud, a massive integrated royalty-free library that lives directly in your browser tab. And also Kepler EXO, the new vintage synth flagship for this year, perfect for that analog hybrid sound. And here is the question: is your beatmaking process feeling stagnant? So clicking in notes is the baseline, orchestrating a vibe is the ceiling. Today we are breaking out of the standard 4-bar loop and building a professional track inside FL Studio using the new chord progression tool and stem splitter. This isn't just a beat, it's a high-performance production using the Kepler EXO synth. In this video, I'm showing you the exact steps to go from a blank channel rack to a radio-ready arrangement. Let's build. So you need to open up the Sounds tab. It's located right over here next to Packs. So you can audition loops in the key of your project automatically. You can drag a vocal loop into the playlist. And then the second point, which is the stem separation. So you can right-click the audio clip and then select Extract Stems. In this year's update, you can choose high quality to strip the reverb of the vocal. Also, you can use the loop starter dice in the channel rack. It will generate a unique drum foundation based on the genre you select. It's the perfect way to kill producer's block in seconds. And now let's talk about the brain of the beat. So firstly, is going to be chord progression tool. You can open the piano roll. So if you want to open it, just press on F7. There you go. Then hit the chord icon. In this here, you can use the top-down mode. Click a single note, and FL Studio builds a professional jazz or trap chord underneath it with perfect voice leading. So to use the top-down node, it's pretty simple. Just click on a. Then you can load the new Kepler EXO synth. This is the 2026 flagship for analog textures. And then just select the retro future lead. Also to move this here, you can use Alt plus stretching in the piano roll. It now snaps by default, allowing you to time stretch your melodies perfectly to the grid without losing the groove. Layer your chords with a sub bass using the 3x OSC for that classic weight. And then just polish the sound. So in the mixer, you just click on Ctrl L to send your instruments to the mixer. Then the Lux verb. You can add the updated Lux verb to your melody, enable the new pitch feed-forward mode. It makes the reverb shimmer in key with your notes. Then the master. You can open the master track and click FL Cloud Mastering. This uses the VO audio engine to analyze your mix and apply surgical EQ and limiting. Select the Modern Punch preset for that radio sound. Alright, and also guys, you probably know that FL Studio is actually having some of its features locked behind the paywall. So if you want to use all of the features and all the necessary features, you will have to buy it. There's no way around it, unfortunately. The free version is very limited. So because of this, I will just give you some of the explanation about the pricing. So we have firstly the Fruity edition, which is the cheapest. It's got 82 plugins, no audio recording, and stamps, so a limited edition. Then we have Producer edition, which is about $179. It's got 93 plugins, includes AI stem and separation. Then we have Signature bundle. It's got 103 plugins, includes gross beats and new tone. It's about $269. And then All Plugins Edition, which is the most expensive, for $449, has the most plugins. It's 118, and everything else unlocked. And this is how you go from a blank slate to a finished record. And then to recap our build, so just use AI stamp separation feature to create a custom sample, utilize the chord progression tool for instant harmony, and also polish the beats with Lux Web and FL Cloud mastering. Hopefully this masterclass helps you level up your production. Hit subscribe and like the video for more orchestration hacks.